a Malaysian beauty YouTuber. Here at my channel, I talk about beauty and also a lot of makeup. So I do a lot of makeup tutorials, product reviews, occasionally vlogs and also collaboration and many more as per your requests. My vision of having a YouTube channel is actually to share the positivity and happiness on my channel, and not only that, to share my knowledge and also my tips and tricks towards beauty. As I'm currently a college student, I tried my level best to balance out my time management between my studies and also my YouTube channel. This is actually my video entry for Beauty Bound Asia 2016, and if you don't know what is Beauty Bound Asia, it's actually the search for the next top beauty content creator in Asia. I would really love to join Beauty Bound Asia this year because as I just started out my channel, I would really love to know more about YouTube and also to grow my channel. Not only that, I would really love to get advices from the professionals and also meet other amazing beauty content creators. Thank you so much to my family and friends, and not forgetting my beautiful subscribers out there for supporting me and hoping that Beauty Bound Asia can pick me. Bye!